Welcome to the world of Renegade RV, where we are proud to introduce you to your new home on the road, the luxurious Vienna 25FWC. Let's dive into the remarkable features that make Vienna a true standout. The aerodynamic fiberglass has a transitional design to the rear brow and bumper. With 7 colorway paint options, you can personalize your Vienna to match your taste and preferences. Featured here is the Summer Sand color option. The frameless tinted windows have a tilt opening design and screens for optimal ventilation. The exterior is further enhanced with a sidewall mounted Girard GG lateral arm awning with LED lights. The composite storage compartments have side swing aluminum compartment doors with paddle latches and a single catch. The exterior entertainment center features a 28-inch smart LED TV with soundbar and USB charging station, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies outdoors. Stay connected with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 rooftop over-the-air TV antenna with Wi-Fi and 4G capability. Step inside and you'll discover our Tuscany decor with 2 additional decor options available, all complemented with our deluxe padded vinyl wall coverings. The unit comes with premium linoleum flooring throughout, a 13,500 BTU low-profile roof air conditioning unit with heat pumps, an 18,000 BTU furnace, and a Truma Comfort Plus tankless water heater, ensuring optimal air and water temperature control. Vienna's kitchen has a modern aesthetic charm. It comes equipped with an 8 cubic foot compressor refrigerator and our optional single burner induction cooktop in lieu of our standard 2-burner gas cooktop with flip-up lid. The stainless steel convection microwave oven offers convenience for all your cooking needs. Cabinetry is made from maple hardwood and is customizable with 3 stain colors and 2 finish options. Here we have the Lakewood stain with a 60 sheen finish. Throughout the coach, you'll find solid surface countertops. Relax in your reclining theater seats and share meals and laughter with your loved ones, complete with a portable table. Or opt for the convertible dinette booth, providing you with more space to accommodate additional guests. The living area on Vienna features a 32-inch smart LED TV and soundbar with Bluetooth capabilities. A 24-inch LED TV in the bedroom ensures relaxation and entertainment. Step into the Vienna's bathroom, featuring a maple hardwood vanity and medicine cabinet. The Vienna has a whole house water filtration system, decorative composite shower, handheld shower head, and glass door, providing a lavish bathing experience. The polished solid surface countertop, sink, and deluxe bath faucet add a stylish touch. You'll also find a porcelain macerator toilet. Access your full maintenance wet bay, ensuring easy water management. You'll have a 34-gallon freshwater tank and 29-gallon gray and black tanks. Thanks to the 3.6 kilowatt Onan propane generator, the automatic generator start system, and the 2,000-watt true sine wave inverter, power is never a concern. The 30-amp service is paired with an automatic transfer switch and surge protection. Manage your RV's multiplex lighting system settings through our user-friendly Bluetooth app on your phone. Each Vienna comes standard with 2 100-amp-hour AGM house batteries, and you have the option to upgrade to lithium batteries. For elevated power capabilities, upgrade to our enhanced lithium batteries with the Generator Delete package, offering an impressive 800 to 1,200 amp-hours of power. This package includes an upgraded inverter, an additional alternator for dedicated charging, and an extra storage compartment. For your added convenience, a 330-watt solar charging system is also included. Vienna is built on the Mercedes 3500 Sprinter chassis. It has the 10.25-inch MBUX infotainment system with built-in AM/FM radio, wireless phone connection, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. It has a 4,200-pound towing capacity for the adventurers at heart, allowing you to bring your favorite toys for outdoor fun. Your journey is backed by our commitment to quality. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive warranty, 1-year limited unlimited miles, and 3-year structural 36,000 miles coverage. You'll find attention to detail, premium amenities, abundant storage space, residential style features, and versatility with Vienna. Embrace the freedom to explore with Renegade RV.